Every dollar you spend is either building your future or buying your distractions. Today, I'm going to show you 3 things you must stop spending money on, how the 1% truly manage their wealth, and the 5 stocks you should be watching right now. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Because financial freedom isn't just for the elite, it's for anyone who's willing to learn the rules of money. The average American spends over $1,200 a year on things that do nothing for their financial future. If you want to get ahead, cut these out. Unused subscriptions, streaming, gym memberships, apps, you name it. If you're not using it every single week, cancel it. That $20 a month invested instead in an index fund over 30 years becomes nearly $50,000. Expensive car payments. The wealthy don't buy flashy cars on credit. They invest first, then let their assets pay for luxuries later. A $700 car payment could be buying you partial ownership of companies like Apple or Microsoft instead of a depreciating ride. Constantly upgrading gadgets. The new phone every year? That's a marketing trap. Keep your devices until they die. Redirect that money into stocks or ETFs that actually grow. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The 1% don't save their way to wealth, they manage money differently. They prioritize assets over liabilities. Every dollar they earn, they ask, will this dollar work for me tomorrow? That's why they buy stocks, real estate, and businesses before they buy toys. They use leverage, but wisely. The wealthy borrow at low interest to buy appreciating assets. You can do this too, even if it's as small as using a credit card responsibly to build credit and unlock lower borrowing costs later. They think in decades, not days. The average person panic sells when the market dips. The 1% buy more. They treat recessions as discounts, not disasters. If you want to manage money like the rich, you need to think like an investor, not just a spender. Now the part you've been waiting for. 5 stocks that not only dominate today but have the potential to shape tomorrow. Apple, AAPL, the cash flow king. Billions in cash, ecosystem loyalty, and innovation in AI and AR. NVIDIA, NVDA, the backbone of artificial intelligence, chips that power the future. Microsoft, MSFT, dominating cloud computing with Azure and embedding AI into everything. Tesla, TSLA, more than cars, it's energy, batteries, and robotics. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a stability anchor. Healthcare is timeless, and this stock balances your portfolio. But here's the truth. No one wins by betting on a single stock. Even the 1% diversify. ETFs, index funds, and strong cash reserves are your safety net. These 5 companies, think of them as the pillars, but your foundation should always be diversification. Stop wasting money on what doesn't matter. Start managing your cash like the wealthy, and invest in assets that shape the future. Because in 10 years, you'll look back at the choices you made today, and either thank yourself or regret yourself. So make the choice. Invest in yourself. And don't forget to subscribe, because here at Gen Z Dollar, we're building a generation of wealth, one smart move at a time.